Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to show y'all how to press some Sizer Easy Weed HTV vinyl, and this is going to be on a cinch pack with mesh trim. Okay, so here you just see where I have the Michaels Teflon Pillow, and I have Teflon Sheet that I got on Amazon. I recommend getting the 5-pack pillow on Amazon. You got different sizes that you could use, but as you can see, all I did is put the Teflon sheet under the pillow so these knots wouldn't get pressed. So again, I just folded the Teflon sheet and I put the pillow right over it. And you can find those at Michael's for about 20 bucks, but the Amazon 5-pack is probably better. And we're just gonna go ahead and just press it onto the bag. So as you can see, I already have it aligned. I went ahead and did this before I started recording. This is a T-square. It's a T-square it. You could use that for anything you want to press onto. And in this case, again, I used it for the bag. So I went ahead and lined it up on the bottom. And then I made sure my design was straight. Got it 15 on both sides, just about. It might be slightly off, but usually if it's about that much, you probably can't quite tell, but it just depends on the angle you're looking down at. And it looks pretty centered, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use some heat resistant tape just to keep it in place, and then we'll go and press it. Mine actually probably isn't the best look. I kind of doesn't look too good, but it should do the job. You get that on Amazon. Now this is the bag. Looks pretty centered. I'll look again off camera, but it looks pretty good. Remember the Teflon pillow should be under, and you should have saw that already in this video. So now it's time to press. All right, so as you can see, I'm gonna do 300 Fahrenheit, and I have 12 because that's what I press my t-shirts with, but I'm not gonna do 12. I'm just gonna hold it for 5 seconds. And so as you can see, I already set it down, and I need to get a new table. So as you can see, I kind of have the bag hanging off, so you don't want to get these under the press. This side, I'm not gonna lie, it might hit because the pillow I have is not the biggest. You kind of see it, so when I press, I'll keep an eye on it. This you should try to keep out of the way also. Just be careful. Hopefully y'all got the thicker pillows. I'll probably get a new one, but as you can see, it'll probably be okay. We'll find out. So let me press it now. I have medium pressure too, by the way. You could adjust the pressure on mine by moving that. So there's that. All right, let's see. All right, so as you can see, I'm not actually locking the press down. I'm just putting some pressure on it. I'm not pushing too crazy, but I am pushing kind of firm. So again, don't push too hard, but you want to put some good pressure on it, and I didn't lock it. So here I'm just feeling it, seeing how it feels. Remember, keep the mesh out the way. Right here, it doesn't look like I got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling it. I'm gonna do it slowly just to make sure it's good. And it looks like it's gonna work just fine. And see there, I just feel it a little bit, feels good. So I decided to just peel it all off. I'm struggling to hold the phone with one hand to show y'all. So again, I just peeled it pretty slow and it looks good. Pull that away. Feels pretty good. And usually some people specifically with the t-shirts, they'll go ahead with the Teflon sheet, press it down for an extra couple of seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not really pushing a lot of pressure anyway. So that was probably another 2 seconds. And now it should be good. All right, so here's the final product. And just to review, I did press it on 300 Fahrenheit. and I had medium pressure, even though I didn't lock down. I guess that part doesn't really matter, but if you plan on locking down, you should probably use medium pressure. And again, Teflon sheet under the pillow, because that's all I had, and it worked out fine for me. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the materials that I used, so the vinyl, the pillow and Teflon sheet, and the T-square it. I'll post that in the description. Please hit like and subscribe if y'all want me to put some more videos out there. I plan on doing a T-square it tutorial on how to use it on t-shirts. Just let me know what y'all think, and I hope this video helped. Thanks. Peace.